Oven baked aubergine and chicken. Tender chicken thigh baked with sliced aubergine and plenty of fresh chopped tomatoes. Tasty dish can be served with fresh bread and delicious salad. Welcome to Aisha's Lavender Kitchen. Whether you call it aubergine like me or eggplant, slice 2 aubergines. We are going to need 10 slices. Sprinkle some salt into 4 to 6 tablespoons of olive oil. Brush the olive oil on both sides of your aubergine and place on a tray. Olive oil will help to cook softly while adding extra flavour. Now go ahead and bake at 200 degrees for 20 minutes. 4 medium to large tomatoes. With a knife, poke holes. Then pour boiling water to cover the tomatoes and leave for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, drain the hot water from the tomatoes. Allow to cool a minute or 2 before peeling the skin. As you can see, the skin is peeling off easily. Now chop all your tomatoes to a medium size. Here we have 6 to 8 spring onions. This will give lovely flavour and colour to your dish. "550 grams of chicken thigh, slice and place into the pan. Drizzle 2 to 3 tablespoons olive oil and cook on low to medium heat. After 5 minutes of cooking, you can see the chicken has changed in colour. Now add the tomatoes. And now 1 to 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. Cook for 5 minutes before adding the spring onions. Here we have 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of oregano and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now for flavour and colour, add spring onions. Allow to cook for another 10 to 15 minutes. This tasty meal serves for 4 people. In an oven-proof single dish, place the aubergines. Covering the aubergines, divide the cooked chicken. Now go ahead and sprinkle grated cheese on top. If you like, you can use mozzarella or parmesan as well. Left over 2 slices of aubergine, slice them in half and place on top of the cheese. Bake at 190 degrees for 20 minutes. Chop fresh parsley and garnish the oven baked dishes. Beautifully baked, full of flavours and colours, tender chicken, wonderful aubergine with plenty of cooked tomatoes and sauce. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.